last 3 days. We are on fractions. Yay. All right, so today we're focusing on unit fractions. So let's go. Also, unit fractions, they were completely off. Their schedule was completely off, so nothing will match their schedule with what we have. So fun times. So let's go. When we talk about unit fractions, it'll be on Wednesday, April 2nd. Don't forget to add your name, email, and phone number. The take we will use for this lesson will be 3.3c. If the page turns. Our sound check. The rockin' band takes a snack break. Drummer Danny cuts a pizza into 6 equal slices. He and his bandmates each eat 1 slice. Then guitarist Gabe shares a huge candy bar equally with his bandmates. What fraction of the pizza is left over when the band finishes eating? And what fraction of the candy bar did each bandmate get? So that's what they will do for their warm-up. Then this is their vocabulary activity. Their words are equal shares, part of a whole, unit fraction, and whole. And they will be matching it to the vocabulary examples. If I remember correctly, I think I did this like at 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock the other morning. So I don't necessarily remember exactly. So in this vocabulary activity, the students will match the vocabulary, terms, definition, and images to the correct non-example. So you're using the examples, the terms to, so yes, so they'll have the definition in the example, and they'll match it to a non-example. So equal shares, and they'll match that to a non-example. So there we go. Rockstar thinking. Gotta use those brains to not be number pluckers and find the tricky McTrickersons. Same thing as always. Right there. So this one, they need to, it's an example of the drop down thing. Just make sure that they circle the correct answer. Know that they need to circle those correct answers. The only thing, I was trying to get the calculator type question and answer thing. I just couldn't mimic that as best as I could. Hopefully we can get something. If not, we just need to go over that whenever. Yeah. Sorry, my brain just had a hiccup. Sorry, brain hiccup. So all of these, it's talking about the unit fraction of it all. And then exit ticket, they can explain unit fractions help us understand how to divide a whole into equal parts that are built and are a building block for all fractions. Why do you think it is important to understand unit fractions? Use one of the sentence starters below to help you explain your thought process. So they're taking that definition of unit fractions and explaining their thought process. So unit fractions are important because they help us when we need to blank. One real life example of using unit fractions is if we don't understand unit fractions, then blah, blah, blah happens. Like the world falls apart. Unit fractions help me solve problems because, so, and then scale of 1 to 4, how confident do you feel about answering questions using unit fractions on the STAAR test? So, with that being said, I will see you on day 9? Yes. Equivalent fractions. We are almost done.